Looking for a compact projector with big screen power? The Aurzen Boom Mini Smart Projector delivers Google TV and vibrant HD visuals in a portable design. Let's get into it. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Aurzen Boom Mini Smart Projector, power adapter or HDMI cable, cleaning kit or remote control and user manual. Product overview. Remote overview. Power button, Google Assistant, user profile, OK, back, focus adjustment, mute, streaming apps, indicator light, input source, settings, navigation, quick switch, home, volume up or down, projector setting. How to use. Set up your entertainment quickly with the Aurzen Boom Mini Smart Projector. Simply place it on a flat surface, connect the power cable and turn it on. Adjust the focus ring on the side or top of the projector until the image is crisp and clear. If the screen appears distorted, use the manual Keystone correction to straighten it perfectly. Take a moment to fine-tune both settings to achieve the best possible viewing experience. How to connect. Go to Homepage greater than My Apps, greater than Screencast. Activate the multi-screen /Smart View /Wireless Display function on your Android device. Choose ANSI PRJ from the list. Connect the projector and your phone to the same Wi-Fi, or use your phone's hotspot. Go to My Apps, open App Assistant, download Screen Share, then launch it. On your iPhone, open Control Center, tap Screen Mirroring and select EAZZE_PR. Once connected, your screen will instantly appear on the projector. Go to Homepage greater than My Apps, greater than BT Speaker to make the projector ready for a BT connection. Access your mobile device's BT settings and activate BT. Search for EAZZE_PRJ in the available devices list to pair your mobile device with the projector. Smart features. 20-watt high-power speakers with DOIB audio bring cinema-grade sound to life. The rear-facing visible sound design delivers deep bass and crisp highs, turning every movie night into an auditory delight. Optimized rear-facing speakers deliver clear, low-distortion audio with minimal interference. Boom! Mini projector with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth offers flexible connectivity. Use it as a Bluetooth speaker or pair with your favorite audio gear. Cast your content instantly with Google Cast, which is wirelessly compatible with Android and iOS. No cables, no hassle, just effortless big screen entertainment. Boom Mini Portable Outdoor Projectors, compact, eye-friendly design fits effortlessly into any space. With soft diffusion technology, it reduces eye strain for longer, more comfortable viewing, whether indoors or outdoors. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the Aurzen Boom Mini Smart Projector from Amazon? Just tap the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Aurzen Boom Mini Smart Projector. See you in the next one.